time to cook supper this evening. We're gonna make a Southwest barbecue chicken casserole. It's kind of mixing a Mexican chicken casserole with barbecue chicken. I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna chop this onion, a pepper, and some garlic. We're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil and butter in this really deep pan on the stovetop because we're gonna mix everything in here and then transfer it to a 9x13 casserole dish. Got that just a little under medium while I chop everything up. Oh yeah, I was gonna see what kind of beans I have. Do I have black beans? Because I was thinking I would put black beans in here. I need 1 thing of corn. I need some diced tomatoes. There are the black beans. There's some butter. I'm using rotisserie chicken for this. I got the already shredded kind from Aldi. Okay, we've got the onion. I'm gonna go ahead and get the garlic ready here. So once I get the onion chopped, we'll take it straight over to the pan. Then we'll chop the pepper, put it in, and then the garlic. You know what? I think that I only need half of this onion because this is a really big onion. I'm gonna wrap the other half up and we'll use it for something else. Ooh, that's one of those that'll make you cry. Okay, while this is cooking, I'm going to drain and rinse the black beans and a can of corn. And I'm going to go ahead and open up these diced tomatoes too, that way I have them ready. So it's time for them. We'll go ahead and put in the corn. Alright, now we'll put the tomatoes, and I'm just using mild diced tomatoes with green chilies. Look at all those colors, that's beautiful. We're going to put some salt and pepper in here. And now the chicken. Now we're going to put this whole bottle of Kinder's Honey Hot barbecue sauce. Shake it down. Mix that all together. We'll just let this sit right here on warm. That barbecue sauce is smelling great, and it's reminding me that McDonald's does now have McRibs back. I saw the sign. They're a childhood favorite. Love those things. I got the casserole dish sprayed. We're putting in half of the chicken mixture. Now we'll crush some of these tortilla chips and put over the top. Just a good handful of them will be good. Now some cheddar cheese. And some mozzarella. This is just what I have on hand, but you can use whatever you want to use. Pepper jack, Colby jack, Monterey jack, just cheddar, just mozzarella, whatever you want to use for this one. It will all be good. Okay, now we just repeat. We really love those siete chips, but you can use any kind of tortilla chip that you want to use. I think the lime ones would be really good with this, but you can do whatever. Those were just sea salt. Now the rest of the cheese. I'm making a mess, y'all. That dry is loud today. I don't know what's in there. Can't remember, but it's loud. Whatever it is. Probably something in somebody's pocket. That's it. Now it just goes in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. George has been wind blown or something. He's leaning way back. Stand up straight, George. Good posture. Good posture. Look at Martha. Okay, y'all, we're gonna put some sour cream and a little bit of barbecue sauce on the top.
Yeah, keep it real, folks. Keep it real. This is a bite of a lifetime. You know what I'm saying? It's these moments that cooking shows edit out.
Yeah.
Not us.
When all the cheese comes off the top.
You want that cheese pull? I just showed it to you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and gently lay this back down. I'm gonna cover it back up and we're gonna redo this. But now I'm gonna break it loose and now we might get that. Nope, folks. This thing is holding on. Oh, there it is. I can't even express what I felt just hit me. That's good.
See y'all tomorrow.